Tammy Slaton, the breakout star of TLC's wildly popular reality series 1000 LB Sisters, is once again leaving fans speechless with her jaw-dropping transformation. Once weighing well over 700 pounds, Tammy's weight loss journey has taken another dramatic turn that's causing waves online. New photos have emerged that show Tammy looking completely unrecognizable, igniting fan reactions ranging from pure admiration to utter disbelief. These images are not only circulating across all social media platforms but also fueling speculation about what comes next for the Kentucky native who has spent years battling not just her weight, but her health, addiction struggles, and emotional trauma. After a turbulent series of hospitalizations, rehab stints, and near-death experiences, Tammy now seems more alive than ever. Her slimmer figure, glowing skin, and confidence in recent public appearances have stunned even the most critical viewer. It's not just about looking different, it's about how she carries herself. Once portrayed as the combative and sometimes emotionally unstable sister on 1000 LB Sisters, Tammy now appears calm, composed, and surprisingly self-assured. Fans say the change isn't just physical, it's spiritual, emotional, and transformative at every level. What started as a desperate attempt to survive has evolved into something far more powerful. Tammy is thriving. And the most jaw-dropping part, she continues to lose more weight, far beyond what fans ever expected. Gone are the days of mobility scooters and constant oxygen tanks. Tammy now walks unaided, smiles confidently, and even jokes around in TikTok lives and YouTube videos where she showcases her new outfits, her meal plans, and even bits of her skincare routine. She's showing up for herself in ways no one could have imagined. Her latest photo shoot, which leaked online over the weekend, sent shockwaves through the 1000 LB Sisters fandom. Tammy, posing in a simple but chic black outfit, is seen with minimal makeup, her hair styled softly, and, most notably, a dramatically thinner face and frame. Fans flooded the comment sections with messages of awe. "Is that really Tammy? OMG, I didn't recognize her at all," one user wrote on Reddit. "This is the glow-up of the century," another chimed in on X, formerly Twitter. Even former critics admitted they were floored by the drastic difference. Many followers pointed out that Tammy's eyes now appear brighter, her skin tone healthier, and her demeanor radiates peace, a stark contrast to the woman who once fought producers, family members, and her own demons on national television. The real shock came when side-by-side comparisons of her old and new photos went viral. The juxtaposition is startling. From round, swollen features and labored breathing to a defined jawline and spontaneous laughter, it's hard to believe she's the same person. But Tammy hasn't just been losing pounds, she's been shedding the emotional baggage that came with years of trauma, public criticism, and mental health struggles. Insiders close to the family reveal that Tammy has been maintaining a rigorous routine that includes regular walking sessions, monitored calorie intake, spiritual healing practices, and strict adherence to medical guidance. Her team reportedly includes a nutritionist, therapist, and a spiritual advisor who helps keep her centered and grounded. Fans credit not just her surgery or rehab stints, but her inner strength for how far she's come. Tammy herself has spoken out about the transformation. In a recent TikTok, she thanked her fans for sticking with her through the hard times and admitted she didn't recognize herself when she looked in the mirror either. "Y'all, I looked at myself this morning and I cried," she said tearfully. "Not because I was sad, but because I finally see the woman I always wanted to be." It's an emotional moment that resonated deeply with longtime viewers who have seen her at rock bottom. In seasons past, fans watched Tammy struggle with food addiction, depression, and codependency, often lashing out at family members like her sister Amy or even producers. Now, she appears to have found peace and clarity that many never thought possible. Her fans, lovingly dubbed the Tam Fam, have rallied behind her with overwhelming support. Comments on her Instagram and TikTok accounts are flooded with praise, encouragement, and emotional tributes. "You are saving lives just by being honest about your journey," wrote one fan. "Seeing you change has inspired me to finally take my own health seriously," said another. Interestingly, the timing of her transformation is also raising questions about the future of the show. With Tammy continuing to change, producers are reportedly scrambling to pivot storylines. Some speculate that 1000 LB Sisters may soon become a solo venture centered entirely on Tammy's life after weight loss. Viewers have expressed interest in a spin-off focused on her new lifestyle, relationships, and spiritual growth. In fact, rumors are swirling that Tammy is in early talks to publish a memoir or launch a wellness brand aimed at plus-size women seeking mental, emotional, and physical healing. Though unconfirmed, sources say Tammy has already met with agents and publicists to explore these possibilities. For a woman who once needed round-the-clock medical care, the idea of her becoming a lifestyle mogul may sound far-fetched, but given her track record over the past year, anything seems possible. The ripple effects of Tammy's transformation are also being felt within her family. Sister Amy, once the more independent sibling, is now navigating her own personal turmoil including custody battles, relationship breakdowns, and emotional setbacks. Some fans say the dynamic between the sisters is shifting. Tammy is now the stable one, while Amy appears to be struggling. That role reversal is something fans never anticipated, and it's making for compelling television. As Tammy's storyline evolves, fans are curious whether romantic relationships are on the horizon. Since the passing of her husband Caleb, Tammy has been mostly single and focused on healing. But eagle-eyed fans noticed a few flirty exchanges in her TikTok comments, sparking speculation that love might once again be knocking at her door. Some even suspect she's quietly dating someone outside the spotlight. Whatever the case, it's clear that Tammy is moving forward with clarity, strength, and purpose. In many ways, Tammy's transformation is bigger than just weight loss. It's about reclaiming her identity, her body, and her life after years of being defined by her size. She's breaking free from the shadow of her past and showing fans that even the darkest chapters can be rewritten. Her story is striking a chord with millions who have faced similar challenges, from food addiction to mental health crises. She's proving that it's never too late to change, to grow, or to fight for a better future. Tammy Slaton may have once been the face of obesity struggles on reality TV, but now she's becoming something far greater, an icon of resilience, vulnerability, and transformation. Each new image of her emerging from the shadows of her old life is a reminder that progress is possible, even when the odds are against you. As she continues her journey, one thing is clear: Tammy is not done yet. More weight will be lost. More healing will happen. More photos will shock us. But above all, more lives will be inspired by the woman who chose to fight, and who's now winning in every way that counts. Whether she's walking into a new chapter alone or eventually alongside a new partner, Tammy is no longer the woman clinging to survival. She's stepping fully into life. And the world is finally seeing her for who she truly is, not just the reality star from Kentucky, but a woman of incredible strength, spirit, and grace. Her journey isn't over. It's only just beginning. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.